We're here at Ambassador David Lane's residence today, filming a movie about chickens. Why chickens? Because in developing countries, just a few chickens can make a big difference in the lives of rural female farmers. With the extra money from raising chickens, female farmers in the developing world can give their kids proper nutrition, send them to school, and ensure a better future for their family.
Ambassador to the UN agencies in Rome, where we focus on food and agriculture, especially smallholder farmers in the developing world. I've been in this job for a little over 4 years. It's been a spectacular life for rural people, but especially in the developing world, and in the developing world, especially for women. For women who are looking after them. There really is a pecking order with chickens. I learned that very quickly. I think this is one is kind of the bully. Attila the hen.
Jet plane, don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to.
And so this is our little symbolic way of associating ourselves with women in the developing world.
And thank you very much, Ambassador. We are very happy to keep up the trust, to entrust us with your hens. Attila the hen, Francesca,
Exactly.
Bruce the Bossy, and Justin.